Alright, our risotto is just now beginning to boil. And everything looks pretty well incorporated. So we're going to go ahead and put our lid on it and turn our heat down to let it simmer. Next we're going to start preparing the beans. I'm going to fill about 2 cups of water and add a teaspoon of salt. Next we want to get our steak ready. So we're going to go ahead and flip this over to make sure that it's all incorporated. Going to get ready to cook our steak, so we're going to heat a pan with 2 tablespoons of oil.